everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to try Act II Popcorn Chili Surprise flavor. So let's get started. This 30-gram pouch cost you rupees 10 and it has 8 months of shelf life. It is super easy to make. Simply cut the content of the pack in a pan or a pressure cooker. Since it is winter, so the mixture has become thick. Now turn on the flame, cover it with a lid and leave a small gap for the steam to escape. This will ensure that your popcorn cooks properly. Now cook it on medium flame and shake the utensils occasionally until the popping slows down. In just 3 minutes, you have your hot and fresh popcorns ready. So this one is one of the most loved and preferred popcorn brand because it's tasty, delicious and super easy to make. One downside I have noticed with this chili surprise pack is that it fills your house with a chili smoke and you will literally cough for some time. As for the taste, it's pretty much like your classic salted popcorn with a spicy chili twist. Personally, I would prefer buttered popcorn over this one, but my kid absolutely loved this also. So that's all for the day. Let me know in the comments if you tried this chili surprise flavor and which popcorn flavor you would like me to try next. Don't forget to hit subscribe button for more fun reviews. See you in the next video.